Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video we are going to store employee. So here we have the create component and we have a form here, and I have opened with VS Code, but we don't have add the V model for all the fields, and I'm going to add it now. So here we have the first name and add the V model for the form dot first name. Copy this and we have the middle name here, and add this middle name. We have the last name, add the last name here. We have the address and change this to address. Okay, we have vmodel here, vmodel for the city. For the birth date we need to add it here, vmodel form dot birth date, and also here for the date hired, vmodel form dot date hired, and I think we are okay. Now when we hit store we don't do anything for now. If you go to the VS Code and go here when we have the form and add the submit, add submit, and we are going to create a new method called store employee and submit that prevent to not reload the page, and copy this name here, go to the methods, and after the get departments add this one, and we are using the axios.post and get this one, remove the departments, just post to the /API/employees, and here we need the data, and we have first name, which is going to be the this dot form dot first name, and copy this and paste, change this to middle name, and also this to the last name. Okay, add one more for the address, another one for the country ID, another one for the state ID, one more for the city ID, another one for the department ID. Okay, and we have the zip code. Okay, what we have there? We have a birth date, add the birth date, and also the date hired. Okay, and then I'm going just for now just console.log the result. Okay, and save this one. Now we don't have this API employees route yet. So if we go to the API, we have only the routes for the countries, states, departments, and cities. And I'm going to create one more route, post, and employees, and I'm going to add the employee controller class here, and the store method. Okay, save, and in the employee controller we have the store method here. I have created employee store request, and we have here, I just have changed this to true and add all the fields. I added in the background to have a more quick video, so you can pause the video and create all of that. After that I'm going to add it here, so employee store request $request, and here we can do is create a new employee. Is going to be the employee model, import that model, and create the request validated, like we do with another we have in controller backend what we did in the just create request validated. But now I'm going to return this employee, so return response JSON at employee we created. Okay, and save. And now I'm going to try a refresh here, and we have a fake filter here. Choose Albania, Tirana, and city Tirana. Choose some random dates and hit store. And if I inspect elements, network, we need to run the npm run watch, sorry fans. So npm run watch, okay, refresh and close this, add the fake filters, Tirana, and choose Tirana here. Store, and we have a 500 request. I have made a mistake here. Store, save, and store again, and we have a error. The birth date field is required, and the zip code field is required. Yes. If we go to the create, and we have a birth date, and we have a zip code, sorry friends. If you go to the headers, and what I sent is, we have a birthday null and zip code is empty. Why is that? Okay, go to the form. I have made a mistake here. Birth date, and when we have zip code we need to add the model. I forget, so form.zip code and save. Come here, refresh. Okay, and add Albania here, Tirana, add the dates and hit store. We have 500, and that is because we have incorrect date format, and for that I have installed the moment.js. So go to the moment.js.com and install this npm install moment.js --save, import moment from moment. After that we need to create a method, and I'm just going to copy and paste that format date here, and we can call now when we have the here cut this and add this dot date format date and add the value, and the same thing for this. Cut this one, this dot format date and add the value. Okay, so and now if I save and come here, refresh, add Albania here because only Albania has the city, and choose a date, hit the store, and we have a status OK, network, employees, we have first name Flynn, and now if I open the table plus, go to the employees, open employees table, and we have the Flynn, first name, last name, Jacobs, and all of that. Refresh and add another one. Okay, choose a date, some random, hit the store, come here and refresh, and we have a second one. Now this is how we can store employees. In the next video I'm going to work with a table to display all the data and edit and also delete. Okay, hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. Thank you very much, all the best.